Welcome to Team's Agenda This Week, a special report that focuses on the activities and achievements of the Team's Agenda of Lagos State Governor, 62nd in a series. Lagos is emerging into a smart city. With a population of over 20 million people, no doubt requires mass transportation services to ease traffic congestion that characterizes the city daily. Therefore, the administration of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu is committed to achieving smart transport and also pursue its intermodal transportation system as entrenched in the letter T, which is the first pillar of his Team's Agenda. Into the special report on Team's Agenda this week, Damilare Fagunwa of our News and Current Affairs Department focuses on the activities and operations of Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority Lamata, especially its Bus Rapid Transit System, BRT, in line with traffic management and transportation pillar of the Team's Agenda of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. The Lagos Area Metropolitan Transport Authority Lamata is established to provide a world-class sustainable integrated transport system that satisfies stakeholders and drives the growth of Lagos State. Under the Babajide Sanwo-Olu administration, Lamata has taken some giant strides to propagate the letter T of the Team's developmental agenda, which stands for Traffic Management and Transportation. The Lagos Area Metropolitan Transport Authority intensified its mandate to ensure Lagos residents have access to quality, comfortable intermodal transport system, one of which is the Bus Rapid Transit System, BRT. The first phase of the Lagos BRT was commissioned on 17th March 2008. The initiative to build the Bus Rapid Transit System was by the administration of former governor of the state, Bola Tinubu. It runs from Mile 12 to CMS through Ketu, Ojota, Maryland, Anthony, Obanikoro, Pangrove, Onipan, Fadeyi, Barracks, Funshaw Williams Avenue, Marina, up to CMS. In the second phase, the BRT implementation extended from Mile 12 to Ikorodu Town, through Owode Onere, Thomas, Ajegunle, Majido, Ogolonto, and Agric, up to Ikorodu Town. In addition to the 26 bus shelters offered along Mile 12 to CMS, 3 bus terminals are also placed along the corridor at Mile 12, Moshalashi, and CMS. The bus terminals at CMS are, however, designed to integrate with other transport modes of rail, ferry that are planned for future construction. On assumption of office, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu pledged to significantly improve traffic management and transportation system. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu also commissioned the newly completed Oshodi to Abule Egba Bus Rapid Transit Corridor, where he unveiled 550 high and medium capacity buses that will be plying the corridor. He also took a ride in one of the buses from Oshodi, where he unveiled the e-ticketing booth to Iyana Dokwemu, where the ceremony was held. The governor noted that the project will bring relief to motorists and commuters plying the route, reduce travel time by 75% daily. Between 60 to 80,000 passengers are expected to be conveyed daily on the corridor, which is one of the busiest in Lagos.
I'm indeed excited that what we promised about a year ago, we are fulfilling here today. We're here to commission the very first in our 6-point agenda, which is traffic management and transportation. Our pledge to the citizens to commission the Abule Egba Bus Rapid System. I'm indeed happy that what we couldn't complete or commission by May 29, within 3 months, we're back here again now to hand over this very, very important corridor to our citizens on this very high traffic movement in Lagos State.
The governor, who also unveiled a cowrie card with which residents can pay for their journey, said 100,000 of the cards would be distributed free to intending passengers. The use of this card, introduced by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, had become imperative to reduce cash transactions in transport operation to protect stakeholders' investment in the transport sector. The component of the e-payment system include ticketing system software, smart cards, cowrie card, card readers and validations on board and standalone, tickets vending machines, and ticketing agents. Some of the achievements under this project are that about 1.2 million cowrie cards have been sold, while 452 buses have validates installed so far, while over 8 million cowrie cards users have been transported on the BRT. Lagos residents can now move from one end of Lagos to another effortlessly with the new cowrie card or application. The card in the future is expected to cover all other modes of transportation. Commissioner for Transportation Frederick Oladende explains that the Oshodi-Abule-Egba BRT corridor is part of the state's strategic master plan, which will be extended to Ota, the border between Lagos and Ogun states. Oladende also described the project as great progress in the public transport system.
The Oshodi-Abule-Egba Bus Rapid Transit System is one of the BRTs contained in the State Strategic Transport Master Plan. There is therefore the need for Lagosians to reciprocate by patronizing the system and also ensure that they watch over the infrastructure and report anyone trying to sabotage your commonwealth.
Speaking on the scope of the project, the managing director of the Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority, Lamata, Abimbola Akinjo, announced that 11 new pedestrian bridges were constructed, while 3 existing ones were rehabilitated to prevent people from dashing across the 13.68 kilometers road. Akinjo said the frequency of the BRT operation along this route will enhance public transport accessibility by up to 20%, while the provision of dedicated lane will enhance reliability on the public transportation by 30%.
We provided traffic safety measures to include traffic signs, street lighting, and road markings. Other services to be provided is the signalization of each junction. The BRT project is a median running BRT infrastructure with passing lanes at the bus station locations. The BRT lanes have a width of 3.3 meters minimum on each direction, all rigid pavement overlaid with asphalt, and provision of lay-bys at bus station locations. There are 14 new BRT stations, and the entire BRT lanes are segregated with barriers.
The Lamata board stated that the new BRT corridor is a median running route with 14 drop-off terminals along the Oshodi-Abule-Egba route, which terminates at Katangwa bus station. Each terminal has well-ventilated foyer where passengers can sit and wait for buses. With the route designed with 11 pedestrian bridges, traffic safety measures and street lighting, she added that the project has been designed to integrate the proposed Red Line Rail Mass Transit project as part of the Sanwo-Olu administration's transportation blueprint. Also, earlier this year, the governor launched additional 100 buses, including 70 high capacity and 30 medium capacities, assembled in the state as part of efforts to ease and ensure pleasurable commuter experiences in the state. Each of the buses have a capacity to move 960 passengers on the average per day. For Governor Sanwo-Olu, the state government will intensify efforts to push its integrated transport system to ensure Lagos residents can move comfortably from one point of the state to another seamlessly with different options available, urging all stakeholders in the transport sector to support the state government. Since the introduction of the BRT buses of high and medium capacities and their attendant comfort, as well as further expansion by the present administration, Lagos residents have good reason to enjoy their rides as they move around the state for their daily activities in a conducive, fast and convenient means of transportation. The Sanwo-Olu administration also approved a dedicated security team for the monitoring of transport infrastructure and the enforcement of extant rules on the use of the Bus Rapid Transit (BRT) regulations. The Bus Rapid Transit System (BRT) no doubt has strengthened and opened space for more investment and competition in the transport sector, with the Sanwo-Olu's administration determined to consolidate the gains and advantages as well as create the enabling environment for every Lagosian and visitors. The Sanwo-Olu administration has shown its commitment towards fulfilling its agenda of a more efficient transport system in the state. Some passengers share their BRT experiences.
Initiative of Lagos State, and I'm not new to this system. At least I have experience once in South Africa. I use something like this, boarding a train. I believe they will improve at long run.
Lagos State government, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, really done a wonderful job here to ease the problem of the commuters from those yellow buses. They are going to appreciate more of it. And the road and everything is okay. Thanks to the governor of Lagos State. And for the Cowrie card, we appreciate. Thank you, Governor.
I would like to thank the Lagos State government for the new initiative of the buses. You are really a lifesaver. This has really helped Lagosians a lot in the movement and also provide a kind of security and safety for going out very early in the morning and coming back in the evening too.
A beautiful idea, very commendable. It's a kind of project that should be encouraged anywhere across the country. The first time of using it, so far so good. Experience has been good. So once again, I think I commend the Lagos State government for a job well done.
The benefits of boarding the BRT buses are enormous. The buses are fast, comfortable and cost-effective in a densely populated city like Lagos. The BRT also helps to reduce unemployment as it increases employment opportunities for drivers, technicians, cleaners, ticketing staff. There is no doubt that the administration of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu is taking a giant stride to further improve traffic management and transportation system in the state. Lagosians need to support the administration in its bid to ease movement in and around Lagos. And that's it on a special report on Team's Agenda this week, with focus on the Lagos Area Metropolitan Transport Authority Lamata's stride on the Bus Rapid Transit System BRT, in line with the Team's Agenda of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu's administration. For feedback, you can follow us on all our social media platforms: Instagram, Lagos Traffic 961, Facebook, Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. On YouTube, subscribe to our channel, Traffic Radio 961. This program is a production of Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. I am Abiola Fagbolago.
You just listened to another edition of Themes Agenda this week, which examined the activities and operations of the Lagos